Good morning, guys. Happy Friday Eve. Hopefully you guys are having a phenomenal week, a profitable week, and a safe week nevertheless. I want to give you guys a quick heads up as far as where my current positions, things that I'm looking at going into the weekend in the event that you haven't taken any positions, or if you're looking for some take profits. Let's take a look at this together. So basically what I'm looking at right now is I'm looking at on lower time frames such as like a 4-hour and even down to like a 21-minute, but really I'm looking at these fib levels, 2587 being a breaking point for me in the event that we continue to find support at this level of 618. Then it has the potential to reach up to roughly around 2698. Now that's in the event that we have the volume to go with it, but just looking at a daily, we can see that we're running into somewhat of exhaustion. Although this is a nice bullish candle and this is showing bullish vibes, if you will, it doesn't mean that we won't have some type of pullback. So when we come back down to this 4-hour, really what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this level right over here to act as a point of support if we're going to be going up to the upside. If we lose this level right over here, then the next benchmark is going to be where our previous low was, which was right around 2388, 2389, depending on your exchange that you're using. And we'd obviously have to hold that level if we're going to continue to move back up. We could see some volatility if we get back down to those levels, but for right now, the magic number is going to be right around here. So what I'm doing currently is I'm actually opening up some positions right around, excuse me. Oh, let's try that again. And let's go over to a 21-minute. Let's open that back up. See, what I'm looking at right now is I'm looking at this as my high, but we can see that we're making lower highs. We go back over to a 4-hour. This looks very much like a double top. Although it's not a true double top, we do have lower highs. So this is another reason why I'm saying that we're running into exhaustion. So I'm looking at shorts at this current moment, anywhere from 2604 inside this realm all the way up to roughly around 2616. So essentially just DCAing in, building my short position inside of this realm, and I'm looking for taking profit down in this area. Profit that I'd be taking right around 2497 will be somewhere around like 30%. And then if it continues to hold there in that area, then I'm going to be closing out that position and then adding back to the long. If you guys have any questions for me as far as safe entries, or you're concerned about your entries, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to assist. All these calls are given inside of our Discord, inside of our trading tournament, where you can catch me live and we can actually discuss these things one-on-one, even if you feel more comfortable doing it that way. Outside of that, have a blessed day, stay safe. Talk to you soon. Peace.